Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I will go through our cross asset list. So I will cover coffee market, WTI, US 100, US 30, USD Japanese yen, dollar Mexican peso, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, Bitcoin, gold, aluminum, and cocoa market. So I will start with the coffee market first, and of course, I will use our FX Centrum platform for charting. So on the coffee market, what we had yesterday, basically 2 trading days ago, was a breakout of the 20-day consolidation, and market went into the new 40-day high, and we had a close above the upper Bollinger Band. So I did a video yesterday about this trading opportunity, basically to the upside. We can see here that also the rate of change went into the new 40-day high, and that market didn't have any big reaction yesterday. So we don't have significant supply after the breakout, which is actually a very good confirmation for the further upside development. And you can see here on the hourly time frame, market is just a normal pullback, so there was no any bigger supply to react in this breakout. So I do see potential for the further upside development, and the next upside objective is set at the price of 260.40, and then there is a chance, of course, for the trail function to trail alongside the middle Bollinger Band if we can see the upside development. On the WTI, what we had on the daily time frame was reaction higher. I alerted about the 80.50 will be a critical support, and now we have basically a consolidation. And we can see also this was a more like an outside bullish day, but so far we have a consolidation the last 20 days. Here resistance is set at 84.50 mark. Only if we can break that and hold above, there will be a chance for let's say 86 to be on the test, and maybe 87.70. From the other side, if we can break support at 80.40 mark and hold below, then there will be a chance for a retest of 78 mark. So far consolidation is in progress on WTI, and I'm waiting for a breakout mode on this market. On the US 100, we can see that market had a bullish day yesterday. Market is going alongside the upper Bollinger Band. And so far, there is no any kind of indication for any reversal. We need to see the break of lower Bollinger Band and hold below, from my perspective, for the market confirmation to the downside. So at this point, I will say I would like to see the break of 20,530 mark, some bigger breakdown, and then hold below for a potential drop towards 20,180. If that's not the case, market can still trade higher, and then the next stop will be 21,000 mark. On the US 30, we can see that market is trying to break, and actually just around this resistance at 39,700. There was an up day, and potential breakout of this consolidation is on the way, and the next pivot level is at 40,110 mark. We can see that market is basically, this is like more like a hull, and volatility is increasing. But of course, if market will not find upside continuation, there is still a chance for rotation back into the consolidation. So I would like to see how this hourly will develop, maybe some contraction consolidation. If we can see upside breakout again, then 40,110 will be the play. If not, then there is some potential for rotation back towards, let's say, the 39,300 mark. On the USD Japanese yen, this is progressing pretty well. We spoke about upside development. Market is holding, building higher lows in the hourly. And we almost had a retest of 161.93, but still there is a chance for that, of course. Daily time frame, we can see that there's even a fresh bull cross in stochastic. Bollinger Bands are contracting at this point, so we have the bullish trend, and so far there is still chance for that full retest of 161.93. On dollar Mexican peso, we can see that market is just around this support at 1790 mark. It's not going in a strong downside momentum, but we can see here that quite a big bullish divergences that appeared at this point. You can see here that market had a new low, and also is just making higher lows. And now we have a contraction. So if the dollar Mexican peso, if we can see break of 1786, there will be a chance potential rally towards 1796 or even 18.04 mark. So pay attention to this potential rally on the on the dollar Mexican peso. If we can see the downside breakout of this, for example, and break of 1775, this can open the door for lower prices, and then the next pivot downside will be around 1750 mark. On the pound dollar, we can see that market actually traded higher, and it's going alongside now the upper Bollinger Band, so close near the high, and so far RL is holding the gains here. We actually had an upside breakout. We spoke about if market can break 1.219,820, and that there is a chance for the further rally, and that's pretty much what we have now. And the next pivot level is set at the price of 1.2897. On euro dollar, we have still consolidation. The last couple of days, narrow consolidation, and you can see that slow line is getting closer to the fast line. In case of upside continuation in the breakout, there is a chance for potential retest of 1.0900. Only if we can break 1.0800 and hold below, there will be a chance for a downside move towards 1.0762. On the dollar index, we can see that we had a downside move. Take a look here. The RL is building like a 3-bar balance, and we are between like support 104.68, resistance at 105.11. You can see the slow line is sloping to the downside, and fast line is sloping to the downside. So if we see the break of 104.68 and hold below, there will be a chance for retest of 104 mark. From another side, if market can break 105.11 and hold above, there is a chance for the retest of 105.33 or 105.72. On the Bitcoin, we had basically a reaction yesterday of the key resistance, 59,500. And still there is a short-term downside environment. If we take a look at the last 20 days, we have a clear downside trend. On the hourly time frame, we can see that market is doing now contraction. So if we see the break of 57,000 mark and hold below, that will be a good chance and good sign for the further drop towards the 53,500, or even then towards the 45,000 mark short mid-term. On a gold market, we have a consolidation. In the last couple of days, we have basically a sideways environment. 2,390 is a key resistance, supported 2350. And I would like to see the break either for resistance to confirm the potential rally towards 2439, or break of the support, confirm further drop eventually towards 2318 or 2300. Aluminium is very close to break to the downside, so 2461 is a key support. If we can see the break of that, there is potential for the drop towards 2304, and it's a very tight consolidation, so we can have potential breakout of this contraction. And on the cocoa market, we had a rally. We spoke about the rally towards at least middle Bollinger Band, so we're very close. Did 91.58, and then we have some recent swing lows around 98.30, 99.35. We had a fresh bull cross on stochastic oscillator. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. RL is still holding the gains here, so we have a rising lows in the background, which is a good sign for the further upside continuation. So there is a still chance for the cocoa to rally towards 99.35. That will be all for this FX Central Daily Market Analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.